boys and girls. Welcome to your Saxon Phonics lesson today. You're going to need worksheet number 65 and your alphabet handwriting strip. Make sure your worksheet looks like mine and put your name at the top of your paper. Always put your name on your paper. All right, my friends, I'm going to say some words. I want you to look at your alphabet handwriting strip, okay, and point to the vowel sound that I say in my word. So we're looking for what color letters? The red ones, A, E, I, O, U, okay? So you're going to listen for the vowel sound and point to it. Here's your first word. Can you say mug? What vowel sound do you hear in mug? G. You should be pointing to letter U. What sound does U say? Mug. Good. Okay, here's your next one. Can you say sit? What vowel sound do you hear in sit? You should be pointing to letter I. It. Good. All right. Say this word. Hat. What vowel sound do you hear in hat? You should be pointing to letter A. At. A. Good. Okay. Say this word. Lot. What vowel sound do you hear in lot? You should be pointing to O. Lot. Good. Okay. Boys and girls, let's do some quick review. We're going to talk about a new letter today, but let's review our letters that we have learned so far, okay? I'm going to show you the card and you say them. Ready? B, K, M, N, R, F, S, O, G, A, P, T, I, H, U, B. Good job, guys. Okay, let's do our letters and their sound. Our picture and sound. Ready? Apple, A. Octopus, A. Inch, I. Umbrella, A. Balloon, B. Kite, K. Rabbit, Monkey, Tent, T. Nest, Sun, S. Pig, P. Goat, G. Hat, H. Fish, F. Apple, A. Good job. And let's do our sight words that we have learned so far. What does T-O spell? To, the, from, of, for. That's the number word, for. Good. Good job, guys. Kiss your brain. Okay, my friends, let's take a look together. I'm going to echo a sound, and I want you to echo it back to me. Can you say Z? What letter says Z? What letter says Z? Z. Look here, boys and girls. We're going to talk about the letter Z this week. Look at your paper. This is an uppercase Z and a lowercase Z. Find Z on your alphabet handwriting strip. It's at the very end of the alphabet. Now, boys and girls, what color is Z? It's a black letter. So what does that mean? Is Z a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. Good job. I'm going to add our card to our deck. Letter Z is a consonant. Okay. Now, I have a new picture to help us remember the sound that Z says. See if you can guess it. This is a wild animal. It looks like a horse, but it has black and white stripes. What is it? What is this picture? Zebra. Can you say zebra? Z. Good. Zebra, guys, is our picture to help us remember that Z says what sound? Z. Good job. I want you to find number 1 on your worksheet. And I want you to practice writing an upper and lowercase z. It is right above you if you need help. It is also on your alphabet handwriting strip. Let's write an upper and lowercase z. Okay. Look at the letters in the box on your worksheet. Do you see any Z's? I want you to go through and circle all of the Z's that you can find. Do that by yourself. How many Z's do we have in our box? 6. Good. I'm going to put the number 6 beside the box. Good job. Flip your paper over. Look at number 2. What is this first picture? What is that picture in number 2? That's a bucket. Can you say bucket? What sound do you hear at the beginning of bucket? B, b. What letter says b, b? B. I want you to write a lowercase b on number 2. Okay. Look at number 3. What is that a picture of? That is a zebra. What sound do you hear at the beginning of zebra? Z, our new letter. What letter says Z? Z. Write a lowercase z on number 3. Number 4, what is that a picture of? Umbrella. What sound do you hear at the beginning of umbrella? What letter says U. Write a lowercase u on number 4. Good. All right, my friends, let's take a look at number 5. You have the word, you have the letters F-I-Z-Z. What is that word? Fizz. Fizz. How are you going to code this word fizz? What letter is your vowel? I. How are you going to code your I? With a breathe. Because why? There's a consonant following it. Now look here. Do you see 2 letters that are the same in that word? What do we call 2 letters that are the same in a word? Do you remember? Can you say twin consonant? There you go. What do we do if we have a twin consonant? Cross one out. So I'm going to cross out the last one because we don't say fizz. We say fizz. So we don't hear both Z's. Do you see a picture of fizz? It's this middle picture right here. Do you see that arrow pointing? Like when you pour a fountain drink sometimes and it fizzes up. Draw a line from the word fizz to the picture. Look at number 6. You have F-U-Z-Z. All right? What letter is your vowel? U. How are you going to code your U? With a breathe, because it's followed by a consonant. What else do you need to do? There's twin consonants. What do you need to do to one Z? Cross it out. Good. What's your word? Fuzz. Fuzz. Do you see a picture of some fuzz? Look here at this last picture. That is a peach. Guys, when you eat peaches, on their skin, they have fuzz on the skin of a peach. That's that arrow pointing to that fuzz on the peach. Call that peach fuzz. Okay, look at number 7. You have Z-I-P. Which letter is your vowel? I. How are you going to code your I? With a breathe. Go ahead and do that. Do we have twin consonants in this word? Nope. What is this word? Zip. Zip. Do you see a picture of a zip? Good. The first picture, draw a line from the picture to your word. Good job, guys. Now, let's take a look at, you can put your pencils down. Let's take a look at your words in your dotted box. Say them with me. Ready? For, but, up, run, of. Air high five. Good job. All right, guys, what letter are we talking about this week? Z. What sound does Z say? Zzz. Good. Now, I have some reading practice here. If you don't have this sheet, it's okay. I'm going to hold it up so that we can see it together. Let's practice reading these words, okay? Look at number 1. Can you say up, pup, us, bus, fun, run? Let's go over here. Butt, hug, snug, plum, stump, 4. Practice reading these words at home. This is going to make you a good reader, okay? Sound those words out. Good job, guys. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you take a picture of the front and the back side of your worksheet. Bye, friends.